Caris exists to improve the lives of cancer patients. Because every person is unique, and every person's cancer is unique, we look at patients on a molecular level so they can be treated with the best therapies for their disease. What is homologous recombination deficiency? DNA is a double-stranded molecule that is located in all the cells in our body. Human bodies work and thrive because our cells are constantly replicating and dividing, which creates an opportunity for DNA to be damaged in the process. One way the DNA can be damaged is by a double-strand break. This is where a break occurs in both strands of the DNA, causing a section to detach from the rest of the molecule. Our body naturally has safeguards and ways to repair this damage. Homologous recombination repair is one of the mechanisms our body uses to repair these breaks. Incredibly, the process is able to locate an undamaged DNA strand and use it as a template to repair the broken segment. When a cell loses its ability to fix double-stranded DNA breaks, it is called homologous recombination deficiency, or HRD. Genes that are crucial to this repair process can develop mutations, which alter their protein's function so they cannot repair double-stranded DNA breaks. The cell utilizes PARP proteins to compensate for this. The DNA can be left with scars due to these incorrect repairs. Homologous recombination deficiency can contribute to cancer development, especially in ovarian, breast, prostate, and pancreatic tumors. It is important that your physician is informed as to whether HRD is a contributing factor to your cancer, because tumors that have homologous recombination deficiency are more vulnerable to a specific targeted therapy that inhibits PARP protein function. Because tumors with HRD need PARP to fix double-stranded breaks, PARP inhibition is effective at killing these cells. Caris performs DNA sequencing that detects mutations in all genes associated with the homologous recombination proteins, including BRCA1 and BRCA2. Broken DNA, erroneously repaired DNA, and scarred DNA can all be the genetic consequences of HRD that can also be detected through Caris testing. The more information your doctor has about your specific tumor, the more focused and productive your treatment can be.